Hello and welcome. Bhastrika, often referred to as the Bellows Breath. Bhastrika mimics the action of a blacksmith's bellows. It is a powerful, dynamic practice that involves rapid, forceful inhalations and exhalations. It is widely considered one of the most effective ways to oxygenate the blood and stoke the furnace of the subtle body. This practice is to be strictly avoided during pregnancy or menstruation. With that said, I'll see you on the mat with the technique. In this segment, we'll explore the Bhastrika Pranayama, Bellows Breath. Involves rapid and forceful inhalation and exhalation. We are breathing through the nostrils, and the breath is quite active and forceful as well. This technique is to be strictly avoided during pregnancy or menstruation. Now, having said that, here's the technique. So, for best results, we'll come up into Vajrasana position. So you will be on your knees. If you're sitting on a chair, make sure that you're seated on a chair without the armrests. That would be ideal. You can do this on a chair as well. But if you're already on the yoga mat, you can come up into a Vajrasana position. Now, if this one is uncomfortable, you can always slide a block under your seat or make yourself comfortable. So, having said that, what does the technique look like? So, we'll bring a loose fist by the shoulders. Make sure that your thumb is outside. With the inhale, you're going to reach your arms up, palms facing forward, fingertips point up, full extension of your arms. And as you exhale, you're going to draw your arms back down, elbows close to your side body, and back again into this loose fist by the shoulders. So this is the inhale and exhale. So how is the intensity of this? This is quite an intense practice. So here is how it should look like. I'll give you a quick sampler of the pace of this breath. This will give you a quick idea. So here is how it should look like. So that was the pace. So the inhalation is forceful, the exhalation is sharp and rapid as well. All right. So we'll do about 3 rounds of 15 breaths each, and between each round we'll bring our palms face up and find a little relaxation. So 3 sets of 15 breaths and then followed by a relaxation. Follow me and we'll be fine. So loose fist by the shoulders. Take a normal breath in and breathe it out. One more deep breath in and breathe it out. And with an inhale, begin. Relax. Return to normal breathing, palms face up on your thighs. And we'll continue with the second round of Bhastrika. Loose fists by the shoulders, sit up tall, spine erect. Take a deep breath in and breathe it out. And with the inhale, begin. And relax. Palms face up. Return to normal breathing. All right. We continue with the third round of Bhastrika. Loose fists by the shoulders, elbows close to your side body. Take a transition breath here. And breathe it out. And with an inhale, begin. And relax. Palms face up on your thighs. Keeping your eyes closed, observe the currency in the body. Notice the tingling, stimulatory sensations on your skin. And slowly open your eyes. With the bellows quietened and the blood oxygenated, notice the vibration of prana throughout the limbs. You have moved from stagnation to vitality. Take a moment to like this video. Leave a comment about how you felt about this practice, how it helped you in your day today. And also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel. This way I can bring such informative content regularly to you. Thank you so much and namaste.